to install the Solidity compiler. So for that, npm install -g. G is for global and solid. So this will install the Solidity compiler. So this got installed. You can verify the compiler version using solc-js -version. So once you enter that, so this is the compiler version 0.8.15. so now just go to the Visual Studio. So these are the libraries. Here we are going to use the web3, so we have added the web3 over here. So you can write npm install. So this will install all the dependencies. So meantime you can create a file deploy.js. So for the deployment we'll write the code over here. Create another folder, that is contract. So we need the contract to deploy. So in the contracts you can create a file that is .solidity, that is storage.sol. And in the last video we have already covered some by default smart contract. So these are the by default smart contract. So you can copy this storage from here. So this is one smart contract, you can paste as it is. So this is the storage.sol, okay, and deploy, okay, this is fine. Now we need the ABA and the bytecode for the deployment. Either you can copy from here ABA and bytecode from the Remix IDE, or let's see how we can generate those using the command line. So for that, create a folder build. In this build folder we will generate the ABA and the bytecode. Okay, modules got successfully installed. So go to the folder, that is solidity web3.deploy. Then write a command. So once you go to the contract, because our contract is in the contract folder, so write a command solc-js. Then we need the bytecode. So for that, -bin, and then the contract file name storage.sol, and we need the output in the build. So -o, then build. So this will generate the bytecode in the build folder. So bytecode for the Solidity storage. So if you see there, this is the bytecode object. So this is successfully generated. Then next we need the ABI. So for that, write a command solc-js, then -o build -ABI, and then the file name, that is the smart contract file name. So once you enter, this will generate the API file in the build folder. Okay, so this is successfully generated. You can just check this is the API file in the JSON format. So now go to the deploy. So we need to read those files API and bin. So just write constant fs equal to require fs, that is file system. So using fs we'll read the file. So first we will read the ABI. So constant ABI equal to fs dot read files in sync, file sync. Okay, then here we need to pass the path for that file. I think there is a way we can copy the path. Just right click and then copy relative path, okay, and just paste it. Okay, you can write this is the ABI that just and you can print the, let's print and see ABI. Okay, so let's print the, convert to the dot to string and print it. Okay, that is the JSON format. So node deploy.js. Oops, there is an error. No such file or directory. Okay, contract build. So yeah, it takes as it is. So the path is not proper. Let's change the single quote. Let's see. No. Should be the issue. Okay, this should be the backward slash, not the forward slash. Okay, just save this file and run it. Node reply. See, this is the ABI file, and this is in JSON, so we need to convert that to the JSON format. So instead of to string, that should be in JSON. So just remove this to string, then here write JSON dot pass. So this will convert to the JSON format. Okay, save this file and run one more time. So this is the JSON format. Okay, this fine. We need the bytecode. So write constant bytecode. Let's remove this console. Bytecode equal to fs dot read file sync. Then provide the that bin file path. Just copy this. Right click, copy relative path, and paste it here. And change the slash. So this will give us the bytecode, and this is the bytecode object for the. So we need to convert that to the to string. So okay, this is fine. Now we have the ABI and the bytecode. So this is required to deploy the contract. So let's create the web3 connection. Constant web3. So first we need to import that constant web3 equal to require web3. Okay. So here we need to connect to the blockchain. So this is the read ABI and the bytecode from file. And this is creating web3 connection. Okay, so new web3 in bracket new web3 dot providers dot http provider then pass the http URL. So we will going to use the Ganache. Let's restart the Ganache. So here you can use Ganache, or you can use the testnet or the mainnet. Depending on that, you need to provide this http URL. For mainnet